Assalamu alaikum class 1. Today we are doing copy work. Write date and day on your copy. Write homework. First of all, write unit number 1, the human body. Topic is staying healthy. We have question number 1, name 5 outdoor games. Tell me the outdoor games. Yes, cricket. Write it. Cricket, CRICKET. Cricket. Number 1. Number 2, you write football, FOOT, foot, BALL, football. Number 3, cricket, football. Number 3, hockey, HOCKEY, hockey. Number 4th one is swimming, SWIMMING, swimming. And the 5th one is cycling, CYCLING, cycling. These are the names of 5 outdoor games. On the blank page, you can draw the diagrams of outdoor games. Okay, you can draw football, hockey and a bat ball. Okay, now turn your page. Question number 2 is name 5 things that you should eat every day. Stay healthy. To staying healthy, we eat number 1, fruits, FRUIT, fruit. Number 2, we eat vegetables, VEGETABLES. We eat fruit, vegetables. Third name is meat, MEAT. And the 4th name is milk, MILK, milk. And the 5th one is egg, 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 egg. We must eat the right food to staying healthy. On your blank page, you can draw the pictures of healthy food like this. Okay, it is your homework. Do it very neat and clean handwriting. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.